Hi everybody, Michelle here, author of The 11 Laws of Likeability. I'm back to tell you a story about one talk I gave, where in the middle of me talking about my favorite law, the law of giving, one woman in the front row said, "I'm tired of giving, where's mine?" And I thought to myself, and then asked her, "Well, what have you asked for?" And she said, "Nothing." And I thought, okay, now I understand the problem. You have to ask. If you don't ask, the answer is no. If you ask, you immediately increase your odds. So I want to give you a couple ways to ask that makes it a little bit easier. First of all, the opt-out ask. This makes it as easy for someone to say no as it is for them to say yes. Yes is much easier than no. And when somebody has to say no, it makes them uncomfortable. And now they want to avoid you, and that risks the long-term relationship. So give them the reason to say no. You might say something like, "If your company allows it, I would appreciate a review on LinkedIn. But if they don't, I completely understand." Make it okay, and you might not get a yes today, but you might get one tomorrow. Thanks everybody, I'm Michelle. Talk to you soon.